Welcome to Onlysocial. In this video, we will learn how to create a virtual card using Onlysocial. Log into your dashboard. Click on link in bio. Click on the card icon. Then click on the Create Link button. And select Vcard. Enter the name you want to give your virtual card URL. Then click on Create Vcard URL. The virtual card has been created. Now, let's enter fictional details of our virtual card for the purpose of this tutorial. Click on Social to add social handles to the Vcard. Click on the temporary URL. Then toggle the Schedule button if you want to schedule your Vcard. Leave clicks limit as default, because setting any number will only allow the link to work for that certain amount of clicks.